Right, cutting across to big news coming in on Pinarayi Vijayan, Kerala Chief Minister, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress yet again, saying that CPIM does not need a Congress certificate to speak out and fight against Modi's wrong policies and the RSS that's leading it. Now, he said the number of leaders joining the BJP after leaving the Congress is increasing in Kerala as well. 1 out of 4 people contesting for the NDA in Kerala today are ex-UDF members. Being in the same Congress party, Rahul Gandhi and V.D. Satheesan are asking why the Chief Minister did not speak against Modi. What irony is this? This is Kerala Chief Minister taking a big jibe and dig at Rahul Gandhi just a week ahead of Kerala's elections. Remember, Kerala goes to polls in the second week of, or rather second phase of Lok Sabha polls on the 26th. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan there taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi, saying that in Arunachal Pradesh for assembly elections, Congress made a walkover, a literal walkover for the BJP by not fielding any candidates there, basically running away from competition even in Arunachal Pradesh. BJP are the main parties there. Before the elections, the BJP won unopposed in 10 seats. This really shows the Congress's strength. They are literally allowing the BJP to take over. Listen to Pinarayi Vijayan speaking.
ഇന്ന് കേരളത്തിൽ എൻഡിഎക്ക് വേണ്ടി മത്സരിക്കുന്ന 4-ൽ 1 മുൻ യുഡിഎഫുകാരാണ്. രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയും വി.ഡി. സതീശനും മോദിക്കെതിരെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി സംസാരിക്കാത്തത് എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിക്കുന്നു. എന്ത് വിരോധാഭാസമാണിത്? മോദിയുടെ തെറ്റായ നയങ്ങൾക്കെതിരെയും പറയാനും പൊരുതാനും ഇടതുപക്ഷത്തിന് കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് ആവശ്യമില്ല.
All right, let me cut across to our correspondent Shivi Mole joining us on the phone line for more on that. Shivi, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi. I'm almost beginning to believe that there is no alliance between the CPIM and the Congress. Seemingly initially there was, but it appears as we go closer to the first phase of polling, we see harsh comments made on either side. Just yesterday, Rahul Gandhi slammed Pinarayi Vijayan. Today, Pinarayi Vijayan taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi, saying the Congress is literally allowing the BJP to walk over. And a classic example is Arunachal Pradesh.
Well, Nabila, in Kerala, there was never any sort of alliance with the left, between the left and the Congress, because that would not, that would be suicidal for both the parties in Kerala, because for decades they have been against each other, and BJP is not a major force in the state as of now. But here, what we are seeing for this year's Lok Sabha election, the perception that's built here is that between the left and the Congress, who can fight BJP better? That is what both the left and the Congress is trying to create, especially the left, and that's why we're seeing Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan consistently attacking Rahul Gandhi and the Congress, questioning them on their stance on national issues, especially the CAA. Now, yesterday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan replied to Rahul Gandhi saying that, why are you silent on the Citizenship Amendment Act? Your manifesto does not feature CAA. So what message are you sending out to the people, especially in a state where minorities play a very important role? Today, we are hearing him say that, I do not need a Congress certificate to prove that whether I attack Prime Minister Modi or the RSS, because Rahul Gandhi probably for the first time, made a personal attack on Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, saying that why are the agencies not after him? Why is he not questioning Prime Minister Modi and the RSS directly? Instead, why is he behind me 24/7? So that's why Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan today replies saying that, there have been a lot of Congress leaders, prominent Congress leaders, joining the BJP, not just outside Kerala. In Kerala also, that trend is now on. So somebody who is not able to control its own leaders, somebody is not able to, stop that party shifting in their own party, should not be teaching me on who I should attack and what I should be saying, what politics I should be speaking. So that's where the contest here gets really heated up, because both the left and the Congress are creating a perception that even though they are in an alliance outside the state, in the state, their fight is between each other and who is a better opponent against the BJP.
All right. Well, we see Rahul Gandhi and Pinarayi Vijayan locking horns weeks ahead of Kerala election. It's on the 26th that Kerala goes to poll in a single phase, the second phase of election. Now, let me cut across to more news coming in, with jibes being taken at the Congress for not putting up a tough fight.